Hi, I'm JT with WTI, and I want to tell you why you might want to add this Klein digital angle gauge to your tool bag. I use this tool most often to ensure accurate angles on my power tools. For example, when needing to cut on my table saw at an angle beyond 90 or 45 degree angles, without this gauge it was difficult to get just the right angle set. Of course, it also ensures that your blade is at a completely vertical 90 degrees, even if there are other tools that can also do this. Because there's a strong magnet in the base, it sticks to any magnetic metals, including pipes, which they have a groove specifically for that purpose on the tool. This is very helpful to give a free hand. Unlike a traditional level, this tool is great at measuring relative angles, which is done by zeroing out the gauge and then getting the relative angle. The screen is backlit, so it's easy to read even in a dim working environment. It's small and it comes with a protective case, so you can just toss this in your tool bag and it won't take up much room. While it won't replace a full-size level, and it's not designed to, it can give you a good option in a bind, because sometimes the best tool for the job is the one you have with you. It also has a feature where you can hold the angle once you measure it, which could be really helpful, especially if you can't see the screen when you're measuring the angle. So if you often need to adjust the angles of your power tools, or you need relative angles quickly, and you don't want it to take up a bunch of space in your tool bag, I think this digital angle gauge by Klein Tools is worth keeping around, and that's my point of view.